Hello guys, today we are going to talk about Swiss ADME tool, a powerful web-based tool for predicting the pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic properties of the drugs. This tool also used in toxicity prediction and lead optimization. Now, firstly, search the drug on Wikipedia, scroll down and copy the smiley. Now, search Swiss ADME. Open the Swiss ADME tool. Now paste the smiley in Dropbox. Click on the Run button. Here, all information about the drug available. All information including its chemical structure, physiochemical properties, lipophilicity, water solubility, pharmacokinetics, drug likeness, and medicinal chemistry. Swiss ADME is valuable resource for researchers, scientists working in the field of drug discovery and development. Thanks for watching our video on Swiss ADME. If you have any questions or topics you would like to discuss, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.